Are you ready to see the phone that might completely change how we define speed and performance in 2025? The OnePlus 15 isn't just another smartphone. It's a beast that combines innovation, power, and style into one sleek device that's already making headlines before launch. And trust me, what OnePlus has done this time will leave you speechless by the end of this video. So don't even blink, because what's coming might just be the future of Android. Now, let's start with the thing that has everyone talking, the performance. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, built on a 3-nanometer architecture. This means faster processing, improved heat management, and power efficiency that can make any mobile gamer or multitasker smile. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, this phone will open apps before you even lift your finger off the screen. It's like your phone knows what you're about to do before you do it. And yes, that's where the new AI integration comes in. Speaking of AI, the OnePlus 15 takes things to another level with its Oxygen AI engine, designed to optimize battery usage, enhance photography, and even personalize your user experience. Imagine your phone predicting your needs, adjusting brightness, managing background apps, and suggesting features before you realize you need them. This isn't just artificial intelligence, it's personal intelligence built for your lifestyle. But let's talk about the display, because OnePlus never disappoints here. The OnePlus 15 is said to feature a stunning 6.8-inch QHD+ AMOLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. Whether you're watching Netflix, gaming, or scrolling through your feed, this display will feel like a window into another world. And with ultra-thin bezels and Corning Gorilla Glass armor protection, it's built to impress and last. Battery life? Oh, it's getting even better. The OnePlus 15 reportedly packs a massive 5,400 mAh battery with insane 120W fast charging. Yes, you heard that right. Charging from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Plus, OnePlus might finally introduce 50W wireless charging support, which means even your coffee break is enough to power your phone for the whole day. Now, let's move to the most exciting part, the cameras. OnePlus is teaming up again with Hasselblad, and the results could be jaw-dropping. The OnePlus 15 is expected to feature a triple camera setup, a 50MP Sony IMX890 main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope zoom lens capable of 5x optical zoom. And here's where AI again plays a huge role: real-time scene detection, low-light optimization, and enhanced color grading that gives your photos that professional touch instantly. Whether you're capturing sunsets or selfies, every shot is gallery-worthy. But here's the twist you've been waiting for. The OnePlus 15 might introduce an under-display front camera with zero cutout, giving you a truly full-screen experience. Imagine watching videos or playing games without any notch or punch hole. It's like stepping into the future of immersive design. Now the big question: when is it coming? Rumors suggest the OnePlus 15 will officially launch in March 2025, with global availability soon after. But don't be surprised if OnePlus drops a few unexpected features during the launch event, because that's just how they roll. And here's the surprise for those who stayed till the end. OnePlus is rumored to be working on a limited edition model featuring a transparent back design and a glowing LED notification ring around the camera module. Sounds futuristic, right? Imagine that shining on your desk. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And stay tuned, because what's coming next in the smartphone world will make 2025 the most exciting year for tech lovers yet.